the machines that your brakes are very strong. So we've tested the front tires. Now we are doing the back tires. You can see clearly the machine starts to spin the tires, and you're basically supposed to use your brakes to stop the machine from turning the tires. This is how your brakes are tested. Right after the testing of the brakes, the officer then parks the vehicle and moves into the pit where he checks the base of the car for leakages. In Ghana, because a lot of our roads are very bad and most of our vehicles have a low suspension, you have the base of the car scratching against maybe sharp stones, sometimes speed ramps when we are moving. And some of these sharp stones and sharp objects basically puncture the base of the vehicle. So sometimes there could be leakages here and there, and it has to be checked. As the car is moved again, it's passed over a platform to check the axles to ensure that everything is balanced. And then finally, your lights are also checked. Now you need to make sure all your lights are working and in good condition. And then the headlights are basically working at the right intensity. So you see the officer using his machine to check the various intensities. So the high beam lights are basically the brightest and should be working within a certain range. And then the low beam lights are also supposed to be working within a certain range. They shouldn't be the same. There should be a big difference between the high beam lights and then the low beam lights and then your fog lights as well. So basically all your lights are checked and made sure they are all working and in good condition. Then again, they also check emissions, how your vehicle is polluting the environment by checking the fumes that come out of your exhaust pipe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to check that one. So take note.